Introducing the OsteoCool RF ablation system from Medtronic. The OsteoCool RF ablation system is intended for the palliative treatment of spinal metastases. The system contains an RF generator, peristaltic pump, bone access tools, RF ablation probes, a dual probe connector hub, and independent thermocouples. The OsteoCool RF ablation probe uses a coaxial bipolar technology that delivers localized tumor ablation based on algorithms designed to perform optimally in bone. The RF ablation probe is internally cooled. RF energy heats the tissue while circulating water moderates the temperature in close proximity to the active tip. This combination creates large volume lesions without excessive heating at the active tip. Advance the osteo introducer through soft tissues into the vertebra to the desired depth. The distal tip of the stylet is intended to provide visual indication under image guidance of the posterior boundary of the ablation zone. For bipedicular ablations, repeat this step on the contralateral side. Once access has been gained into the vertebral body, advance the precision drill down the cannula. Read the color marking on the proximal shaft of the drill to aid in probe selection. Each color represents a different probe size. Select the probe size that corresponds with the color marking at the desired insertion depth. The distal tip of the drill is intended to provide a visual indication under image guidance of the anterior boundary of the ablation zone. The connector hub provides 2 channels for probes and 2 channels for additional thermocouples. For additional temperature monitoring, place the independent thermocouples through separate incision sites and near the area to be monitored. Connect the ablation probe to the OsteoCool connector hub. The screen will indicate probe detection and when it is ready for use. Ablation time is preset based on the active tip size of the probe being used. Place the OsteoCool probes through the bone access cannulas, ensuring they are fully seated. Turn on the RF power button. The generator will track temperature and power output over the duration of the procedure. Allow the generator to complete the ablation, monitoring intermittently for any signs of error on the generator screen. An option to perform track ablation is possible with the system. Select Retract and initiate ablation. Slowly pull back on the RF ablation probe and bone access cannula simultaneously. Repeat on the contralateral side if desired. If required, bone access can be used for a subsequent physician-directed procedure, such as cementoplasty, vertebroplasty, or kyphoplasty. The OsteoCool RF ablation system, only from Medtronic.